So today we're discussing the benefits of investing in multifamily properties. There's chaos in the crypto market. There's chaos in the stock market right now. Real estate is a real investment that has stood the test of time. It's great to invest in a real estate asset that provides cash flow. So even if equity goes up and goes down, you're making money on a month-to-month basis. Plus, you get plenty of tax advantages. Talking about long-term wealth building here with long-term appreciation in the multifamilies. Now, here's another thing I love to talk about, the accessory dwelling units. You can add an ADU for every 4 units you have. So there's additional upside that can be added to the equity and cash flow of a property. And there's this nice little caveat that multifamilies are great for flips, no matter the market. You can renovate them up, you can rent them out, and you're still collecting cash flow even while you're on the market. So if it doesn't sell, you're still making money. And that's why it's great to invest in real estate multifamilies in today's market.